Hello guys, today we will learn karate from our professional insects. Our first opponent is the praying mantis. 10 cm longer, that insect is expert in its skills. These are armed since birth and attack with lightning speed. During birth, female mantis secretes a gooey substance on branch, forms it up and lay nearly 200 eggs. By the time it hardens, 4 weeks after, baby mantis come out. Generally, a mantis have a lifetime of 1 year. If that doesn't happen, praying mantises are the masters of disguise. They just totally hide in surroundings. And a crazy fact, they eat only live foods. They start to eat their prey from hatch. What are the weapons of praying mantis? Bending hands, which are like blade. These hands are known for their grit. Once prey caught up, there is no escape. There are many spiky needles on their hand which don't let escape the prey, and it can even hurt your finger. With these hands, these can kill 3 times larger predator. Another weapon is their speed. The fastest speed ever recorded is 73 cm per second. You just have to ask a mantis for attack, and if you blink, you will miss it. Fast attack, killer hands, hiding in surroundings. It seems that it is king of insects. But stop here. Our next professional rest to discuss. It is peacock. Peacock mantis shrimp. Yeah, we have to go underwater to have a look of it. Mantis shrimp get their name from their appearance. They are neither mantis nor shrimp. By looking the eyes of peacock mantis shrimp, they may seem like a model of crazy scientist. But these have the most complex visual system on board the planet. Scientists believe they can detect cancer cells only by seeing the patient. Their eyes can detect 12 different wavelengths and can identify 4 times more colors than humans. Peacock mantis shrimps are famous for their punch attack. Their attack is counted in the fastest attacks of animal kingdom. Their attack is 31 times more faster than even praying mantis. But that's not because it has particularly powerful muscles. Instead of big biceps, it has arms that are naturally spring-loaded, allowing it to swing its fist-like clubs to speeds up to 23 meters per second. These punches are powerful enough to break glass. These can punch with a speed of .22 caliber bullet. With their such organism, peacock mantis shrimps were capable in surviving even after age of dinosaurs. Indeed, these creatures are 170 millions of years older than dinosaurs. Let's see who is winner of today's fantasy fight. The praying mantis, which can attack with 73 cm per second speed, and peacock mantis shrimp, which can attack with 23 meters per second, means 2300 cm per second speed. Praying mantis can cut your finger. Peacock mantis shrimp can break the bone of your finger. A praying mantis have a 3D vision, and peacock mantis shrimp have the most complex eyesight of animal kingdom.